Hello and welcome to Scientific Leap. I just put up a video a little while back about bones and electricity, and I got a question from Adam Stevenson, and he asks, can you please do a video about our reality, including physical objects actually being holograms of waveform, information, energy and frequency? Now, it's a brilliant question. I've spoken about these things many times on video, so everything that I say now, I've already related to it on some past video. So, our reality including physical objects actually being holograms. Some people seem to think, what is a hologram? A hologram is, if you've watched Star Trek, it's just a collection of energy, apparently photons if you go by Star Trek. So, but generally everybody knows a hologram is made of light, that's it. That, the universe, that isn't what's happening. God showed me what energy is. He didn't bother showing me what matter was. Not one single thing about matter. So believe this is matter, this is what it is, nothing. He showed me the inside of everything and how everything was built. But matter does have a special place, a special service. The matter is a slave to the energy, and matter conforms to energy. So, how is a body built? How is it a hologram, but also a matter physical body? You see, the Bible again is a paradox. We are a hologram, we are an energy being, but we are an energy being encased in matter. But we are an energy being because we need the matter. But the matter is for the fire, which is why we have to eat. It means we are continuously having an electrochemical exchange within our bodies that give us the energy and replace what's going on. So we are what I would call, the best description would be a hard light hologram. Now in space, when a plasma ejection is thrown out by the sun, it forms what's now been known, and I'd said this years before, but it was how they say it is just brilliant. A electromagnetic ejection from the sun. It is a collisionless plasma wave. What this means is that electromagnetism within the wave is separating into a lattice atoms. They are spaced in a collisionless wave. They do not touch each other due to the magnetic fields between them. So the matter doesn't touch. Electromagnetic fields connect. So the DNA in your body, when electricity goes through it, it is a DNA code frequency which contains all the wave information which is activated by the energy, which just happens to be electricity. So what happens is the waveform that is created, expressed by the DNA code, forms a collisionless wave. Because matter needs to be, the body needs to be coherent. If I bring out a static square magnet, that has what's known as a coherent field. And the only reason it has a coherent field is because it's a solid state magnet. You cannot take the magnetism out of a magnet and just have a piece of X magnet. The magnetic field is only there because it is a coherent piece of matter which forms a coherent field. So every piece of matter in your body is in a collisionless wave, so that your body is a coherent magnetic field. This is a coherent magnetic field, but is held together by a collisionless wave. So there are pinpoints of atoms that are connected by electromagnetism. So you're literally kind of floating around like that, which is kind of cool. So the nature of reality is, this is an energy matter universe, and the only reason you exist is because you contain matter, which forms this DNA frequency coherent field. So when you touch something else, it is matter and electromagnetism at the same time. Could you put your hand through something? Yes, if you could change the the spacing between the atoms, and then you could just have things bypass each other. So you could literally put your hand through something if you knew how to change the arrangement of the field within the body. So I hope that answers your question, Adam. There's loads more I can say. Let's go through it. So I think we covered everything. Physical objects, including people. We are hard like holograms, encased in matter, in a collisionless wave held together by electromagnetism. So we are both hologram and matter. And yeah, it's all contained in the DNA code frequency, which is activated by electrical energy, which then is expressed as waveform information into a coherent magnetic field. And if we take away this magnetic field, as I said in the last video about bones, you'll turn into dust. So when God says, I'm taking back what I gave you, and he reaches in and pulls out all the energy, you'll just go and turn into dust. So thank you, Adam, for that question. That was fantastic. All right, thanks very much. My name is Lee, and I follow the Christ, and I'm telling you all the things that the key in the small scroll leads to, which is all knowledge about all information, which is all energy. Thanks a lot.